All right, so now we're off to Pritchett Canyon. We had come up Kane Creek, so we popped out on the highway just south of Moab. So we would take the highway up just a little bit, and we ended up riding the Behind the Rocks trail just to get us transitioned over to the connector for Pritchett Canyon. Pritchett Canyon itself is only 4.2 miles. It is rated as one of the hardest trails in Moab. It's just got big ledges, big off-camber ledges at that. On the dirt bikes, it wasn't too terrible. There was one big ledge that we basically had to muscle the bikes up, but no, it was good. It was warm in that canyon. There was no breeze, and the heat coming off the rocks, I almost got overheated right towards the end of the day.
Alright, we are starting Pritchett Canyon. I guess he made it up it.
They turned around.
Uh, did you guys come up it or did you turn around? Did you guys come up it?
No.
No?
Just went up there and turned around.
I got
I
you.
don't want to do it, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But you can do it.
Yeah.
Are you going to?
Oh, we're going down. Yeah.
Oh, easy.
Yeah.
We got back here about 3 years ago, but we just had some R-Maxes, Yamaha R-Maxes.
Uh-huh.
We went down Yellow Hill, went a little further, then turned around and actually come up that. But we want to go doing the bike trip or Talons. We want to try it again on a little more capable
A few
buggy.
years ago, my buddies did it. Then they had that KTM and some other stuff.
Yeah.
We get a text message. We're over on Porcupine Rim, way the hell out here, and they're like, "Come, send help." We ended up coming all the way behind the rocks and meeting them at the top here. They broke down, out of water, overheated. They made it to the top, and we fixed their bikes, got them out of it, and then rode them back at the dark. But that was a hell of an adventure.
Good story, good story.
Yeah.
Right?
Man, good luck, guys.
All right, thank you. Y'all have fun.
Alright, we are at the top of Pritchett Canyon. This is called Yellow Hill. We came down here on the buggies. We did this first section and then we turned around and came back up. But it's 4.5 miles to the truck and we're going to get to it. Cold beer in the truck, about 3 miles. Woo-hoo. Cold beer gonna take good. Huh?
Pritchett gear. Get a little lift. Let me hot shot it. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Pick it up.
Yeah.
Get it right on here.
All right, hold
Okay.
it.
Can you start it?
I get to the front.
Me? Yeah, there you go, Pat. Come on.
Hold it. I got it. overheated back there. I had to take a break. Ellie went on back to get some water. But I got to ride out anyway, so took a rest for a minute. Finished off my water. We'll get out of here. I think we're done with the hard stuff. It's hot.
Check on them.
If you
Literally,
did,
that's it. You're going a half a mile on this right here.
I mean, if you did, I'd take a bottle of gas. I don't know. Don't put yourself under.
Yeah, but I hate to leave. Are they not that good of riders?
I don't know. They just barely rode by me, and then I heard the one going they asked me how much further. I said like 2 miles. And then after they took off, I heard one of them say, I don't know if I'll have enough gas. He said, you think you'll make it? Well, we'll see. And then he couldn't get up the hill.
What was his buddy doing?
He was walking back down to help him. But I got on. Well, I gotta go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Pritchett Canyon, done. Back to the truck. Woo, bonus day, sweet. Got my money's worth today. Woo. Thank you.